Welcome back to ClearTask. In this quick video, I will show you how to change your Zoom background on the mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom app and join or start a meeting. Once you are in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar. Depending on your version of the Zoom app, there are two simple ways to update your background. For the newer interface, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right and tap on the Apps option. From there, tap on Virtual Background. If you do not see the Apps option, simply tap the More icon in the bottom right corner, represented by 3 dots. Then select Background and Effects. Inside the background menu, you have a few choices. You can select one of the default images provided by Zoom, or choose the blur option to instantly hide your surroundings. If you want to use a custom picture, just tap the plus icon and upload any photo directly from your device. When you have chosen your background, tap Set Background or simply close the menu to return to your meeting. Your new virtual background is now active. It really is that simple. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more fast professional tech guides. Thanks for watching.